Good morning, children. In the last class, you have studied about plane shapes and solid shapes. Say the name of the plane shapes. Yes? Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Isn't it? Say the name of the solid shapes. Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. Is it? Okay. Then today we are going to study patterns. What is pattern? Yes, pattern means arranging number or pictures in an order. Isn't it? Look at this pattern. Here there is a pattern. I am drawing balloons. First one I draw a red balloon. Next one I am drawing a black. Is it? Next one red. Can you guess what come next? Yes, it is black. So arranging the balls in an order. And we can say what is next. What come next? After black, the next one is red. Right. Then what come next? The next one is red? No, it is black. Arranging numbers or pictures in an order. Then you can say what come next. Isn't it? Pattern is very simple. Take your notebook. Write some patterns using pictures and numbers. Arrange in an order. Arrange in an order. Arrange in an order. Okay. The first one I am going to arrange some picture patterns. Question. Complete the pattern. Draw the next one and complete the patterns. A. First I draw a triangle. Then next one I draw a circle. Then what next? Triangle. Then what next? Circle. Can you guess what come next? Yeah. Complete this pattern yourself. Okay. Next one, B. First I draw one ball. Is it? Then I draw two balls. Yes. Then I draw three balls. Then what come next? Yes? Yeah. I can make two type of pattern. This one is repeating pattern. Repeat the shape. So I am repeating with this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. These two patterns are repeating pattern. Nayu repeating pattern. Okay. Next one. Question number 2. Complete the increasing pattern. Increasing pattern. Increasing. Numbers increasing. So, A starting with A. First I wrote 1. Then 2. Then 3. Then 4. What come next? 5. Then 6. Then 7. Okay, complete the pattern. This is also a pattern, isn't it? The pattern is increasing. Pattern is increasing, not repeating. This one is repeating. Okay. Another pattern. First I draw one ball. Then I draw 2. Then I draw 3. Can you guess what come next in an increasing pattern? Means there should have 4. Then next 5. Okay, then 6. Complete yourself. Isn't it? Then another pattern. Third one is decreasing pattern. Decreasing pattern. Decrease means become less. So I am starting with the 10. Next one is 9, then 8, then 7. Can you say what come next? Yes, 6, 5, 4. Okay. Then B. I am drawing picture. In the first one there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one 1, 2, 3. Can you say what come next? Yeah, 2 and 1. Okay. This one is decreasing pattern. Then all of you take your textbook, page number 82. Page number 82. 82. Yeah, look at this balls, balloons, colors. According to the color, you can color it. Okay. These colors are given in an order. Color it. See, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue. Then what come next? Purple. Okay. This. Red, yellow, red, yellow, red. What come next? Yellow. Red, purple, red, purple, red. Then what come next? Do it. Star, balloon, star, balloon, star. What come next? Do it. Next one. Page number 83. See the shape. This one is horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. What come next? Select one. Okay, which one? Next, triangle. Yeah, look at this edge. Find which one? The next. Okay, this one also. Find which is the next. Here, count the lollipops. 1, 2, 2. First one 2. Second one 3. Next one 2, 3. See, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. What is next? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. What come next? Repeating pattern. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. What come next? Okay. So, I hope you have understood today's class. Okay. Then our chapter 4 is over. All of you study the spelling, plain sheets and solid sheets. Then you can do the exercise page number 82, 83 and 84. Okay. Thank you.
Patterns. Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. We all must have seen the different kinds of patterns in our daily life, like on clothes, bed sheets, sari borders, garlands, etc. Look at the bracelet. We have a square, circle, triangle. Square, circle, triangle, and so on. This is called a pattern as it is repeating itself. Look, we got the pattern. Now let us try making few more patterns. Look at this pack of flashcards. Each card has a pattern of dots. Look, we have arranged few cards according to the increasing order of the dots. Starting with a card with 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots. Kids, let us follow the same pattern and find out the next 4 cards. Yes, correct. The next card will be with 6 dots. Then 7 dots. Then 8 dots. And lastly 9 dots. Kids, isn't it interesting? We can find pattern in letters too. Now, observe the given pattern and write the next 4 letters. We can see that letter A and letter B are placed alternatively. This becomes our pattern. So, the next letter will be letter A, then letter B. Then again letter A, and lastly letter B. Did you know we find patterns in numbers also? Let's see how. Starting with number 2, when we skip count by 2s, we get 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16.